Here's exactly how to install WordPress on your phone and make WordPress websites on Android without a computer. We're going to be building some amazing websites using WordPress and Elementor on the channel soon, but I know a good chunk of the audience is still on mobile. So to allow everyone to follow along, I'm making this video. I've been researching this for a while and there's very limited options you can use to install WordPress on your phone. First, the official WordPress app is available in the Google Play Store, but it won't allow us to use plugins unless you purchase a domain, which defeats the purpose of the app for me. While there are others that allow you to do this, most of them are paid, but I found the best free one. It's an app called Web Server. Basically a text editor, FTP, MySQL and Apache Server rolled into one. It was developed by these guys here, so shout out to them. This app basically allows us to set up a full WordPress development setup on your phone. So go to the Google Play Store and search Web Server, then install it. Once it is installed, search for ZA Archiver and install that one too. Once ZA Archiver is installed, go to Google and search for WordPress download. Then enter the first result and download the WordPress zip file. While WordPress is downloading, you are going to hit the like button and subscribe, or the rest of the video won't play. Once that's done, we are going to need a folder for our WordPress sites. So open ZA Archiver and hit the plus icon here and create a new folder. We'll call it WordPress. Inside it, we'll create a folder for our first website. We'll call it Soccer City. Go back to the downloads folder and open the zip we downloaded. Select all the files inside and copy them. Then paste them into our new website folder here. To start the setup, just close everything else and open the Web Server app. It will need to load some dependencies the first time you open it. In the app, we're going to have a bunch of tools, but the only ones we need are the Apache server and the MySQL database server. Click on the MySQL server and take note that our database username and password is root. In the Web Server tab, the first thing we'll do is select the folder we created as our document root folder. Then scroll down and change the version of PHP to the latest one available. Then go back to our database tab and click on Start Service. You will notice that you get a local link here. Clicking on it will take us to our database. Back in the Web Server tab, click on Start To and we'll get a link to our website. Click on it and open our local website in your browser. To begin the WordPress installation, we're going to need our database name, username, password, and host. So go back to the database tab here in the browser and log in. Remember, the user is root and the password is root. Here, simply click on Create Database. I'll call it Soccer_City. Then click on Create. Before going back to our website, click on Privileges here. These are basically all the users that have access to our database. Take note of this one because we'll use it. Go back to the website tab. Our database name is Soccer_City. Our username is root, our password is root. And you can find our database host back in your database tab. It is here at the top, 127.0.1. Just input that in and click on Submit. Then run installation to install WordPress. Our website name is going to be Soccer City and you can decide on anything you want for the username and password. I'm Vector, so I'll just click on Install WordPress. Then use those details to log in and boom, WordPress setup is complete. To build this website here, you are going to go to Themes, then search for the Bloxy theme and install it. Once it is installed, you simply need to click on Get Started to import the content. Once that's done, you can visit our website to check it out. And here's what it looks like in its current form on our mobile device. You can download Elementor and click this button here to customize and edit your website. To make your experience better with this app, you can try to disable better optimizations for this app. This allows the app to work in the background. There's an app called KS Web that does the same thing, but it is paid, and you can do this on Termax, I know, but that is more complicated for some users. So this method is much easier. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.